Okay, so we got this situation. If the line this is tangent to the ellipse this at the point this, so this point should be on the ellipse. This is the first case, and the tangent we will get will be this thing. Okay, so try to look this question in reverse order. What you have to do, you have to drop tangent to this ellipse from this point. Okay, so let's proceed. So we want equation of tangent. Okay, equation of tangent at 3 comma minus 9 by 2. Okay, so this point will lie on the ellipse, correct? So we should go with t equals to 0. So can I write x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equals to 1? Done. So according to us, answer is this thing, means tangent is this thing, but according to them tangent is x minus 2y equals to 12. Can I divide both sides by 12 so that we can do comparison? Just think about it. Can I do so? Now, so now comparing. Okay, so comparing the coefficient. Now look at this. So our coefficient of x is 3 by a square and their coefficient is 1 by 12. So can I say that a square is 36? Okay, done. Now compare coefficient of y. 9 by 2 b square equals to 1 by, wait, correct, it is 2 by 12. Okay, so can I say that this is 6, this is 3, so b square is equal to 27. So it is horizontal ellipse. Okay, horizontal ellipse. Now then the length of latus rectum. Okay, so do you remember that length of latus rectum is 2b square by a? If you are not comfortable, you can derive. Okay, it's okay. Now, so 2 times 27 by a, 6. So it is 3, it is 9. So length of latus rectum is 9. I hope the idea is clear.